Now, this whole market is pulling heavy. I would be looking at Amazon. If this breaks, let me repeat this for those that are not going to listen to me because you think you know more than me, even though you pay me millions of dollars for this shit. If this breaks and holds below VWAP, get out. No reason. There it goes. Bye. I'm out. See ya. Congratulations. Nice trade. That's it. Done. I don't care if this thing bounces back, makes new high a day later. I am out. That is
shift change in 20 seconds.
Oh, thank you. That is the perfect 2-minute EWO trade. And by the way, you made money when you bought it. You bought in right here, all the way to here. Well, right here was 50%. Right here was 20%. Right here was 20%. Right here was 10%. You made money on every one of these trades. Am I right or wrong?
Thank you, Easter Bunny.
Yep. Do you guys see the difference? Yes?
Yes, sir.
There you go. Now, weren't you all warned about the market today with a 3-day weekend and options Friday? Were you or were you not warned about what could happen today?
Yes.
Yes, Coach.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Look at what it did. SPY cranked up to 0.5%. And I told you guys, didn't I say when it got up there, I said, this is really high for SPY. I said that this morning. Yes, I said, this is really high for SPY.